Hey everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this wonderfully compact yet powerful pool pump that's submersible from PUMPMAN. I've reviewed PUMPMAN's products before. Thanks to guys for sending this one. This is actually a submersible pool pump that can be used for a variety of uses. The main reason why people would want to use one of these is actually to use this adaptive base here. It actually comes with some nice little rolly balls on the bottom of this, and this actually will snap directly into this on there through these little clips on the bottom, and this will actually work great as putting this on top of a pool cover so that in the winter time or in the rain, you get some rain on there, this will actually pump the water off. Now this will actually pump 2,800 gallons per hour, excuse me. This will actually pump 2,800 gallons per hour, which is quite a bit of water considering that it's only a 1/4 horsepower pump. It does plug into a standard 110 outlet on the back side of this. It actually uses a standard 110 outlet on the back of this and actually has a really nice long 10-foot cord. So this has actually got a really long cord that you can plug into a variety of places. It does come with a larger adapter if you have a larger size hose, along with a warm drive clamp, and they even send you with the threaded pipe tape that you can use. Or what most people will probably use is this piece here that I've already screwed into here that actually will throttle this down and adapt it to a standard garden hose. Now this is a submersible pool pump that's IP, I think 68 waterproof, so everything is completely waterproof on this, so it is submersible. You can use it in flooded basements, you can use it in the pool to pump out your pool. I'm actually going to be using this to hook up to a kid's water slide and actually show you how that's going to work. Well, look at it go. Now I've got to get that adjusted so that that actually runs down the water slide, but that is definitely pumping out some nice water up there, which is great. This might even make good for a fountain. You want to make sure it's completely submerged down in the water. This is pumping out quite a bit of water. Hooks to the standard garden hose, which I like. So everything is going to work out great. You guys serve great products, and thank you guys again for sending it.